Alaikum. Open google.com and search here Kali Linux. Click on the first link. Click on the download button. Here you can get installer image and virtual machine. Installer image is for hard boot up and virtual boot up. Virtual machine is used for only VirtualBox. Click on recommended. Now choose your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. I am choosing 64-bit. Click on recommended link. Cancel because I have downloaded it. Now search VirtualBox. Click on the first link. Click here to download button. Now click on Windows host. Cancel it because I have downloaded it. Now go to the desktop and open virtual machine after installing it. VirtualBox. Now click on new button. Here you can type your name. Now select your ISO image where you stored it. Now click next. RAM minimum 2 GB is must and hard 25 GB is must. Now finish the setup. Before you start, you need to change some settings. Click on settings. Now go to the advanced option in general and do the bi-directional because it is easy to move and copy from a main system to virtual machine. And the display option, enable 3D acceleration. I think the setting is okay. Now click on OK. Now we can start our Kali machine installation. Here is the interface. Click on graphic and install. Full screen mode is easy. Now hit enter button. Continue. Now follow the steps as I do. Here you can type your full name, username in small alphabet. I am typing the password. You need to remember your username and password because it is used to log in your Kali machine. Pacific, then continue. Now select the guided use entire disk. No worry because you are in virtual machine. Continue. All files in one location because you are beginner. Then finish the setup and continue. Click on yes by using arrow button. Now wait for the installation process. Now choose your desktop environment and choosing default option and continue. You can choose Genome and XKD Plasma. Our setup is almost done. Now the Jira bootloader is installing. Click on yes and continue. Select the hard disk. Now reboot your device and our setup is installed. I hope you remember your username and password because it is used to log in our Kali machine. Type here your username and password. Then click on login. Here we go. Thanks for watching and enjoy the background music.